How do I fix my PS4 from disconnecting from Wi-Fi? Sometimes a disconnection can be caused by a bug in the firmware of the Wi-Fi router. In that case, the solution is to power cycle the Wi-Fi router. If that does not work, an update to the firmware might be needed. If it still does not work, a new Wi-Fi router, or Wi-Fi access point, is needed. Does rebuilding database on PS4 delete everything? Before you rebuild your ps4's database, rest assured that the process doesn't delete any of your saved data. It simply reorganizes and freshens up your system's files. Select the Rebuild Database option, making sure you don't accidentally select the Initialize PS4 option, since that will erase all your data. Why won't my PS4 pick up my 5 grams Wi-Fi? If you don't have access to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, try these options below. Use a wired connection. Try connecting your PS4 trademark system to your router directly using an Ethernet LAN cable. Shut down or pause other devices and applications running on your network, such as cloud backup or sync applications. Why does my PS4 keep disconnecting from servers? If your PS4 is far from the router, then try to move your system as closer to the router as you can. Sometime it might be an issue with DNS server setting. Find the setting button on your PS4 menu. In that, search for network, and in that select Set WiFi internet connection. After that, select custom from there. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos.